sweet. 2 yellow bananas, such a treat. 3 round oranges, sitting in a row. Counting together, watch us go. Count with me, it's so much fun. Learning numbers one by one. 4 bouncing balls, rolling on the floor. 5 blue books stacked near the door. 6 toy cars, driving fast and slow. Counting objects helps us grow. Count with me, it's so much fun. Learning numbers one by one. 7 bright crayons, colors to see. 8 fluffy bears, cuddly as can be. 9 shiny spoons, laid out in a line. 10 happy smiles, now you're doing fine. Now we've counted from 1 to 10. Let's try it together again and again. Would you like to add any specific props or visuals for the animation? You said